Imagine a world where every transaction you make contributes to building an infrastructure free from the confines of traditional banking systems. Welcome to 2024, where Bitcoin isn't just a digital currency, but a revolution that has reshaped the financial landscape. This transformation is not merely about investment, but about understanding a new form of money that is decentralized, secure, and global. This essay is your gateway to mastering Bitcoin in 2024, offering a comprehensive understanding from a beginner's perspective, backed by the latest data and trends. Bitcoin began as a white paper titled Bitcoin, a Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System, written by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. Fast forward to 2024, and it has become a cornerstone of modern financial discussions, embodying a new era of decentralized finance. This segment of the essay explores the milestones that have marked Bitcoin's evolution. From its first transaction, which involved 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas, to its peak, when it touched $64,000 in 2021, and its stabilization in the later years. The technological advancements, including the integration of the Lightning Network, have significantly enhanced Bitcoin's scalability and transaction speed. The journey from an obscure digital token to a mainstream asset has been tumultuous yet transformative, reshaping perceptions of money and investment in the digital age. At the heart of Bitcoin lies the blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ensures that no single entity has control over the entire chain, making Bitcoin not only decentralized, but also resistant to fraud and censorship. Decentralization is crucial, as it democratizes financial power, removing the monopoly banks and governments traditionally have over money. Each Bitcoin transaction is verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public dispersed ledger called a blockchain. Understanding how these transactions are verified on the blockchain is key to appreciating the security and transparency that come with Bitcoin. This segment will delve deeper into the mechanics of Bitcoin transactions, offering a clearer picture of its operational framework. Bitcoin mining involves validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain ledger. As of 2024, the process has become highly sophisticated, involving extensive computational resources, which has raised concerns about its environmental impact. This part of the essay examines the current state of Bitcoin mining, highlighting the significant changes in the mining landscape over the years. It also addresses the growing emphasis on sustainable mining practices and the innovations aimed at reducing the carbon footprint of this crucial process. The evolution of mining hardware, from basic CPUs to advanced ASIC miners, and the shift towards renewable energy sources, exemplifies the strides being made towards a more environmentally responsible Bitcoin network. Bitcoin wallets, types, and security. Storing Bitcoin safely is paramount for any user. Bitcoin wallets come in various forms, each with different levels of security and accessibility. From hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger to software wallets and even paper wallets, the choices are vast. This section provides a comprehensive overview of the different types of Bitcoin wallets available, discussing their pros and cons. It also offers insights into securing your Bitcoin wallet, emphasizing the importance of private keys and backup procedures. Understanding the best practices for Bitcoin storage not only ensures the safety of assets, but also enhances the overall user experience in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Buying and selling Bitcoin. Buying and selling Bitcoin in 2024 has become more accessible than ever. With a plethora of platforms ranging from online exchanges to peer-to-peer platforms, acquiring Bitcoin is just a few clicks away. However, navigating these platforms requires basic knowledge and an understanding of safe trading practices. This segment will guide you through the process of buying and selling Bitcoin, highlighting reputable exchanges and the importance of security measures such as two-factor authentication. It also provides practical tips for conducting safe transactions, ensuring that beginners can trade with confidence. Bitcoin and global economics. Bitcoin's influence on global economics is profound, reshaping how we think about money in a globalized world. Its role in facilitating faster and cheaper international transactions has made it a popular choice in global trade, especially in regions with unstable currencies. This part of the essay explores Bitcoin's impact on remittances, international trade, and as a tool for economic empowerment. It also discusses Bitcoin's emerging role as a hedge against inflation, which has gained prominence in times of economic instability. Navigating the regulatory landscape of Bitcoin is crucial for any investor or user. In 2024, regulations around Bitcoin have evolved, reflecting its increasing integration into mainstream financial systems. This section discusses the current regulatory framework affecting Bitcoin globally. It highlights how these regulations impact users and explores the potential future changes in legislation that could influence Bitcoin's adoption and use. Understanding the legal aspects of Bitcoin ensures that users and investors are not only compliant with the laws, but are also aware of their rights and obligations within the Bitcoin ecosystem. Investing in Bitcoin comes with its set of risks and rewards. Known for its price volatility, Bitcoin presents a unique opportunity for significant returns, albeit with potential high risks. This part examines the volatile nature of Bitcoin and discusses investment strategies that can help manage the associated risks. It includes real-life anecdotes of both significant profits and considerable losses, providing a balanced view of what to expect when investing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's rise poses significant challenges to traditional banking systems and national currencies. Its decentralized nature offers a level of financial freedom not possible with conventional money, prompting discussions about the future role of banks and fiat currencies. This section delves into case studies where Bitcoin has been integrated into national economies and discusses its potential to replace or exist alongside traditional currencies. It also examines how banks are responding to the cryptocurrency challenge, including adopting blockchain technology themselves. As we look beyond 2024, the future of Bitcoin appears both promising and fraught with challenges. This final section explores upcoming trends in Bitcoin, including technological advancements that could further enhance its functionality and adoption. Expert opinions on the trajectory of Bitcoin, including potential market movements and technological innovations, are discussed. This part aims to provide a well-rounded view of what the future holds for Bitcoin, helping enthusiasts and investors make informed decisions. With the rise of Bitcoin, cybersecurity has become more crucial than ever. This section addresses the potential threats within the Bitcoin ecosystem and the measures taken to counteract them. From enhancing security protocols to educating users about cybersecurity best practices, this part provides a comprehensive overview of how to safeguard digital assets in an increasingly complex cyber environment. Bitcoin's integration into everyday life marks a significant milestone in its journey from a niche digital currency to a widely accepted medium of exchange. This part explores the various ways in which Bitcoin is being used in daily transactions, from online purchases to brick-and-mortar stores. The potential future uses of Bitcoin in everyday life, including in sectors like real estate and healthcare, are also discussed, showcasing the broad applicability and acceptance of Bitcoin across different industries. For those keen to dive deeper into the world of Bitcoin, a wealth of resources is available. This section lists essential books, websites, and courses that offer valuable insights into Bitcoin. Community forums and upcoming conferences are also highlighted, providing opportunities for networking and learning from industry experts. Staying informed is crucial, and this part guides enthusiasts on how to keep abreast of the latest developments in the Bitcoin world. As we conclude, it's clear that Bitcoin is not just a passing trend, but a transformative force in the financial world. The potential of Bitcoin extends beyond mere currency, offering new ways of thinking about and handling money. This final section reiterates the importance of continuous learning and engagement with Bitcoin, encouraging readers to explore this exciting digital frontier. With its capacity to redefine global finance, Bitcoin stands at the forefront of a monetary revolution.